Welcome to 1196 Grant Street number 106. This studio condo has an open floor plan. The fully appointed kitchen is delightful and ready for entertaining. The bedroom nook is semi-private. Enter into the ample living room. The hidden closet offers lots of storage space. There is plenty of space in the full bathroom. The patio outside has 2 planters. In the garage there are storage cages for all units. This is the storage bin for number 106. The laundry facility has plenty of free use equipment. Enjoy working out in the fitness center. You may lock your bike in the community bike rack.